Okay, so with our built-in app editor technology, you just click on edit pretty much right here, and you can instantly edit every aspect of your listings. Okay, for example, about your product, like you can edit a product name, okay, the title, the description, okay, product content, features, category, okay, and much more. Okay, just scroll right here and you will see everything, and also you can set the price. Okay, right here you can add options if you want. Okay, you would just click on add new option right here. You can add as many as you want. Okay, also variants, this is very important. These are basically your product variations. Okay, that AliExpress, you know, the listings in AliExpress have. Okay, so in this case you can see this product has one variation, okay, but there's actually more. Okay, like for example, this one, it's a variation on color, okay, but you can have multiple variations, like for example color, size, okay, but you can also add multiple variations by clicking create variant right here. Okay, as you can see how many I'm adding. Okay, and then you would select the variation, okay, based on your listing. Okay, and also now keep in mind that some products on AliExpress might have 2-3 variations. Products also have one variation, but others on AliExpress can also have 100 different variations. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Then next, images. Okay, you can upload new images. You can also delete images from your listings. Okay, if you don't like them, you can delete them right here. You can also browse for images and upload them. Okay, inventory. You can set the inventory quantity, okay, change the SKU number. Okay, I wouldn't recommend to do that, just leave it as is. And also select if you know, like for example, you want to manage stock or not, you know, the stock status, you can update it, you know, in stock, out of stock, and the quantity. Okay, then files right here, you can add, like you can add file URLs that you can send to your customers. Okay, SEO, to get ranked on Google, you can add meta title, keyword description. Okay, so your products get ranked well on Google. Okay, then we also have express checkout, which basically is going to create URLs for direct orders. Okay, so you can generate URLs right here. You can send these URLs to your customers directly so they can purchase right away. Okay, instead of making them go through the store. Okay, now quickly let me give you a few tips to create fantastic listings to better represent your products to your customers. Okay, so let's go back quickly to item. Okay, and I want you to remember this. Okay, for every product that you put out in your store, you want to use adjectives to paint a picture in your customer's mind, because this way you'll make them envision themselves with your products. Okay, and this is very important because in this case, okay, this one, it's a dog necklace. Okay, so how would you create a mental image and kinda make them want the necklace so bad that they buy it right away? Okay, so in this case, in the title right here, you could, for example, type something like, you know, cuddly, okay, lovable, pleasing. Okay, for example, cuddly, let's do dog necklace. Okay, cuddly dog necklace. Okay, or a pleasing dog necklace, lovable dog necklace, whatever. Okay, and you can also add limited supply, limited edition. Okay, a lot of the stuff on AliExpress can easily be sold as limited supply because it's just amazing. Okay, then come up with a simple description, something like, okay, you gotta work on this one, like say, see, like this one, it's really bad. Okay, you want to create something like, let me think about it. Okay, let's try don't you love on top of my head. Okay, so let's do don't you just love cuddling your dog. Okay, now you can do it whenever you go by carrying this beauty on your neck. Okay, something like that. So, or finger, okay, in case it's a ring, to show, let's do also, okay, on your neck, to show your dog pride and love. Okay, Pretty easy stuff, guys. Okay, then you would just add a couple of bullets. Okay, you can add them here in the description, but honestly I would recommend you to do it in the product content. See, there's a lot of bullets right here, so you can edit all this stuff. And look at all these images. Okay, you don't need all this stuff. Okay, you can simply delete them. You can also edit them in Photoshop. Okay, and you can actually make the listing much better, okay, presentable. So like I said, add a few bullets for sure, okay, that are related to your necklace. So they are just here, okay, you just need to edit them a bit, okay. So keep editing all your listings. After you edited everything, you just click on save changes, okay, right here, and also right here, okay. You can also put your brand, the category, okay, and publish it, okay. Okay, you would save changes. So after that, go back to import list. Okay, let's go right here in import list. Then all you gotta do, okay, you can publish it, okay, to your store. So you just select right here, publish now, then submit, okay, and it will be landing into your publish list, okay, right here, which is gonna be ready to be published, okay. And once it's here, you can publish it to your Dropshiply store, okay, if you use directly Dropshiply, or if you have a Shopify or WordPress WooCommerce store, you can just click on publish to channels right here, okay. So you will do this and then publish to channels, or you can also filter channels right here. We have WordPress, Shopify, okay. You can also do that, but yeah, publish to channels is the way to go, okay? So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.